Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about web scraping basics. Introduction. Web scraping involves extracting data from websites through automated tools or scripts. Python and web scraping. Python is commonly chosen for web scraping tasks because of its simplicity and the availability of powerful libraries like BeautifulSoup and requests. For example, an e-commerce company may use web scraping in Python to gather competitor pricing data to adjust their own prices accordingly. By extracting this information from various websites, they can make informed pricing decisions. Conclusion. In summary, Python is a favored language for web scraping due to its ease of use and comprehensive libraries, making it an ideal choice for data extraction tasks on the web. Web scraping involves sending HTTP requests to websites using the requests library to retrieve HTML content. Once obtained, Python's BeautifulSoup library aids in parsing the HTML to extract required data effectively. By combining these two components, web scraping can gather data from various web pages efficiently. For instance, one might scrape e-commerce sites to extract product details or track prices, streamlining market research and competitive analysis. When you need to retrieve data from a website, the requests.get function in Python can be used. It requires passing the URL of the website as the argument. For instance, in the code provided, after importing the requests library, the URL is specified and a request is made to fetch the website's content. The response received is stored in a variable, and the HTML content is extracted using response.text. This process emulates a scenario in which a developer wants to scrape information from the website www.example.com. By using requests.get, the relevant HTML content is acquired for further processing or analysis. Remember, this method is fundamental for data retrieval from websites and forms the basis for more advanced web scraping and data extraction tasks. BeautifulSoup is a Python library for parsing HTML content. It offers methods like find and findAll to search for specific HTML tags. With BeautifulSoup, you can extract elements such as links, text, and images from a web page. To extract all links from a website, you can use BeautifulSoup's findAll method. For example, by using soup.findAll_a, you can retrieve all A tags hyperlinks from the HTML content. You can then iterate through the results and access the URLs using link.gethref. Web scraping is like sending a robot to a farmer's market to collect prices of fruits and vegetables. The robot collects data from different vendors by scanning their price tags. In the same way, a web scraper program collects data from websites by extracting specific information. The program follows a set of instructions to navigate through the website and gather the required data. Once all the data is collected, it can be stored or analyzed for further use. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The Python script begins by importing the necessary libraries, requests for making HTTP requests, and BeautifulSoup for web scraping. A URL variable is assigned the value of the website to scrape, https examplewebsite.com. The script then sends a GET request to the URL using request.get, and the response is stored in the response variable. Next, the HTML content of the response is parsed using BeautifulSoup with the html.parser parser. The parsed content is stored in the soup variable for further manipulation. The script then searches for specific information on the web page, in this case, products and their prices. It uses the findAll method of BeautifulSoup to find all div elements with the class product, where each product's price is located under a span element with the class price. Prices are extracted from each product and stored in the prices list. These collected prices are then written to a text file named prices.txt using the W mode in a with block. Finally, a success message is printed to the console to indicate that the product prices have been successfully collected. Real-world application. This script could be used by e-commerce businesses to scrape competitor prices from their websites for market research and competitive analysis. By automating the process of gathering price information from different vendors, businesses can adjust their pricing strategies accordingly to stay competitive in the market. Web scraping is a powerful tool that can be applied across various industries globally. One example is in the e-commerce sector. Retailers can use web scraping to monitor competitor prices, analyze pricing trends, and optimize their pricing strategies to stay competitive in the market. Another example is in the travel industry. Travel agencies can leverage web scraping to gather information on flight and hotel prices from different websites. By collecting and analyzing this data, they can offer their customers the best deals and customized travel packages. Overall, web scraping provides valuable insights and data that can drive informed decision-making and enhance business operations across the globe. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.